Here are 5 tips and tricks for wrangling data with pandas in Python. First up is to add the indicator equals true argument to a merge function. This will add a column called _merge to your new data frame, which will note whether the rows from the right, left, or both data frames. This is invaluable for debugging merges and understanding the overlap between data sets. Next up is how to place a custom function within a chain, also known as a pipe function. In this example, we create a function called addTotal that will multiply the quantity and price columns of our data frame. We can then add it to a chain of pre-existing pandas functions such as query insert values. This keeps your code modular and readable. Just remember to place parentheses around your chain functions to allow for line breaks. We'll move on now to window functions, which help you analyze trends over time. We can create a rolling average or moving average, with the rolling function followed by the mean function. We can choose the amount of time periods that we want to include in the calculation by setting the window argument. Similarly, we can create a cumulative sum or mean by using the expanding function followed by the calculation we want. Now, let's talk about identifying and dropping duplicates with pandas. Here we have a data frame with some duplicate ID entries. Using the duplicated function, we flag all duplicates. Then we can use drop duplicates to remove the redundant rows while keeping the first occurrence. Binning columns with the cut and qcut functions is up next. Binning transforms continuous data into categorical bins, making it easier to analyze and visualize. We first create some sample data with 2 columns, age and income. We then create cut points for the different categories and save them to the age bins list. For each of the categories, we then create a list of categorical groupings, which we call age labels. With the cut function, we can then place the column we want transformed and set the bins and labels arguments. If we want to create equidistant cut points based on quantiles, we can use the qcut function. Here we first set the column we want to transform, followed by the number of desired quantiles and an optional label argument. Finally, let's cover linear interpolation. This example time series data frame has missing values. We use the interpolate command with the method argument set to linear. This will estimate missing values based on a straight line trend between known data points, filling gaps smoothly to preserve the data's continuity. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the Deep Charts channel for more data science and machine learning tutorials.